Hello everybody, it's me Jax again. I'm here with my DJI Air 3S and I'm using it together with the app of drone tweaks, and they states online that the benefits of this is that you can fly almost 97 kilometers per hour, and you will have a 5.8 gigahertz transmission, and that's true. But it will only work if you connect to this controller. Will not work if you connect to this. Let's try it out. It says, however, on their webpage that this only applies for the EU country, that's Europe countries, and I'm not in Europe. I'm outside Europe, but anyway, I have good benefits from the app, from drone tweaks, and we are going to try out if it's true, because with this control I reach like 60 kilometers per hour, and this I don't know, so let's see. So we moved outside to test in real life conditions. We have to go up a bit because we have many trees in this area. So let's start up the drone and see how much we can get. It's a windy day. Very. But I hope I will go up like 200 meters and we see what happens. So there we have the drone. Let's click it up. Here you can see the other I closed down. I'm using these filters also. But now we are testing this FCC app. Let's wait for it to connect. So I will move this here for the other test. I'm not German. If you think I'm talking like Arnold Schwarzenegger, I'm not German. Let's go. Let's see if it can hit more speed in sport mode.
Take off. Home point updated.
I'm using the correct controller for 97 kilometers per hour. When I'm up to 200 meters, I will, or 300, I don't know, I will switch over to sport mode. I think 200 meters is good for the test. Yeah, we reach
Obstacle sensing unavailable.
Okay. Let's see how much we go full. 30, 40, 50, 60, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't think it will pass that. We go home. Maybe it's the wind. Three, 4, 5, 6, 63, 64, 65. Now with this control it will not go any faster. Maybe it's because we're not in Europe, I don't know. Let's call it home.
Return to home.
I will though try with connect it as I were in Europe. So I will make my telephone like I'm in Norway or something like that. So let's see what happens. It's coming back. Now we will do the test equally with the other control.
Landing. Return to home. Landing.
And that's it for this.
Take off. Home point updated.
I forgot to put the camera. So let's do the test again. Full throttle. We're up to 62, 4, 65, 66, almost 70. So let's turn around. Maybe it's the wind only. 60 is the same. It will not let me go up to 97 like it says on the home page at all. So I call it home.
Return to home.
It's very windy today. I'm like crying from all the wind.
Landing.
Now I will kill this control, and we connect auto control. We are going to click this app, quick transfer, connect, join. Successful. Well, now we open the FCC app. Okay. Let's see what it says. Now we have access. And then we control aircraft and switch, and it's switched. So we can let it go. You can see now that we have transmission 5.8, etc. Really high stats here. So we are in FCC mode, and we can go. So let's go.
Home point updated.
Full throttle in.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
63, 4, 65 kilometers, 66. Turn around. I always forget to hit the record button, and I get mad at myself. We're up to 40, 50, 60, 3, 4, 5. It will not go higher, so we go home.
Return to home.
You can hear it. It's closing in. I hear it. It's trial with the wind. I hope it will not hit me in the head.
Landing.
a little bit show up. It's a nice drone, but I don't know really how drone tweaks want us to know how it works, because I cannot fly in 100 kilometers per hour